Hey everyone, today is super exciting because we're diving into the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I can't wait to share my thoughts on its features and why I think it's going to be a game changer. So let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about the packaging. It's sleek and minimalistic, which I absolutely love. You know how some unboxings feel like you're wrestling with the box? Not this one. It's like Samsung really thought about the user experience here. As I lift the lid, the phone is right there waiting for me like a little piece of tech magic. Now let's talk about the design. The S25 Ultra is stunning. It's got this premium feel with a glass back and a matte finish that's so smooth. I can already tell it's going to be a fingerprint magnet, but honestly, it looks so good that I don't even care. The camera module on the back is impressive, and we'll get into that in a bit. So what's in the box? Besides the phone, you've got your usual USB-C cable and a SIM ejector tool. No charging brick this time, which is a bit of a bummer. But hey, it's 2023, right? We're all about sustainability now. Now let's power it up. The display is absolutely gorgeous. We're talking about a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Everything is so vibrant and smooth. Scrolling through my apps feels like butter. And if you're a fan of photography, wait until you hear about the camera setup. We've got a whopping 200 megapixel main sensor, plus ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. I mean, this is insane. I can't wait to test it out and see how it performs in low light and during those golden hour moments. In battery life, Samsung claims it can last all day, which is music to my ears. I'm always on my phone, so if it can keep up with my lifestyle, that's a huge plus. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an incredible device. I'm excited to put it through its paces and share more updates with you soon. Don't forget to hit that like button if you are as excited as I am, and let me know in the comments what features you're most looking forward to.